Graduates, please ask me for Kagahapon sa hapon pag graduation na pa'y nagpapirma. Kaya may paso sila. Ganinang buntag na pa'y nagpapirma before nag-start ang baccalaureate mass. Those sleepless night kung pagluto ninyong pansit canton. Right. The sacrifices.
Sundo berkali.
1, 2, 3.
Mr. B.J. Rodrigo Abellanosa, upon the endorsement of the Dean of the College of Business and Management as the Vice President for Academics, I am deeply honored to recommend to you these 839 candidates for graduation for the conferral of their respective degrees.
Conferral of titles and degrees. Mr. B.G. Rodrigo L. Abellanosa will now confer the titles and degrees.
By virtue of the authority vested upon me by the Board of Trustees of the Asian College of Technology International Educational Foundation, I, B.G. Rodrigo Abellanosa, School President, do hereby confer upon these 839 candidates the degrees of Bachelor of Science in Hospitality Management, Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Financial Management, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Marketing Management, respectively, with all the rights and the corresponding duties and responsibilities thereunto appertaining. You may now flip the tassel of your cap to the right as a fitting symbol of your graduation. Congratulations.
that. Just a parent. Good.
We stand here on this very day, in this same place, at the same time, wearing the same gowns. But the truth is, our journeys were never the same. We sailed on the same ocean, but we were never in the same boat. Some of us sailed through calm waters, while others fought waves no one else could see but them. Now allow me to share the unseen struggles and unheard stories that didn't make it to report cards and recognitions, but are part of everything that they went through just to be here. I've known classmates who wake up before dawn, not to study, but because their day already starts with responsibilities at home. Some don't have parents to rely on, so they carry burdens heavier than they should. They had to figure life out on their own. On random days, I see some students trying their best to earn extra money by selling food or small items for school needs. Some even go from classroom to classroom just to sell what they can. It may look simple or even funny to others, but it's how they find ways to keep going. There are also those who are the first to graduate in their families, carrying not only their dreams, but also the pressure and the weight of expectations and sacrifices made before them. There are also student mothers who balance school and responsibilities while carrying a life within them and taking care of children at home. There are also students who show up even while carrying a grief no one else can see, including someone we lost just weeks before graduation, an achievement she should have been celebrating with us. And while some students head straight home after class, I know some hardworking students are just beginning another shift. They spend their evenings working, while some of us are heading to sleep. At times, I saw them falling asleep during classes, missing important events, submitting projects and assignments late, or To Miss Judah, who is more than a mentor to me, thank you for giving me the space to grow and try. To my high school sweetheart, the tears and laughter and everything in between. You're one in a billion. And to my with a grateful heart, I thank you for everything. Thank you everyone and congratulations to us. Let us give another round of applause to Miss Pearl, Mr. Cecilio A. Ramos. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present the graduates from the College of Business and Management. Aramco Shriners, Cebu City. Wilhano Player, Pandaan, Bumanhog, Cebu. Niega Angel May, Bumanhog, Cebu. Alvin Shane Rose, Mactan, Lapu City, Cebu. Guerrero Vice James, San Diego, Cebu. Padre Rose Ann, Orlean, Lapu City, Cebu. Caraquingo Aramay, Cebu City. Botila Julieta Rose, Cebu City. Marami Kenji, Lawe City, Cebu. Mata Brad Anna, Cebu City. The graduates from Bachelor of Science.
Make your future today. You have what it takes. So we also say, when we congratulate all our parents, let's give them a big round of applause. We know our administration, faculty, and staff. And all the people who have been there, your classmates who have been there with you in this very, very productive and fruitful journey. marketing management, respectively, with all the rights and the corresponding duties and responsibilities thereunto appertaining. You may now flip the tassel of your cap to the right as a fitting symbol of your graduation. Congratulations.
Pa-picture ka? Video ko, ma'am. Hi. Ka-cute. Hi, guys. Hi, class. Hi, guys. Cum laude. Naman si grade 2 ito. Asa ba? Wait lang.
Administration, Financial Management, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, Marketing Management, respectively, with all the rights and the corresponding duties and responsibilities thereunto appertaining. You may now flip the tassel of your cap to the right as a fitting symbol of your graduation. Congratulations.